buddy right here.
Where's your hat and your carrots?
We don't need no hat. We don't need no carrots. The Centra. The snow is coming down, guys.
It's on Thanksgiving only, so it's pretty crazy.
Thanksgiving special.
Government camp 2018. Right after Thanksgiving. Celebrating the holidays with the Hotia family and the Bob family.
Let's get it.
Perfect hill right here for the kids. They're learning how to sled. We got the perfect snow. Mark Nelson, they all doubted you, but you came through, man. Beautiful night. Just a beautiful night.
Yeah. Elijah's about to come down the hill right here. Look at him. Catch him, catch him. Get him, get him. Look at that. Woo! Alexa's next. She's coming in. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Whoa!
Alexa, how was it? How was it, Manuel?
Oh, the air is clean.
It is clean.
It is clean, right? It's getting nippy out here. That's good. Gotta do a shout out to Mountain Hardware.
Mountain Hardware. James, what are you giving a shout out to?
The fresh air of the Pacific Northwest, man.
Pacific
amazing.
Northwest.
Amazing, man.
Happy holidays!
Happy holidays. Snow covered. Check out the town over there. We got a perfect spot. Look at that. Can't find a cabin better than this, man.
We're literally by Meadows here. We could go get food.